tester, you can get it for like $5, where it has the different switch types and it's clear, so you can see the different colors that we're referring to, because you got your blues that are clicky. Green is also clicky. It just is a higher actuation force than the blue.
So you have to press harder to activate the key.
Press harder before you hear that click. It's just more effort. Same for the browns and the whites here. The brown is tactile, so you feel a bump when you press it in, and the white is just a more higher actuation force of the brown, kind of like the green is to the blue. And then red is what's called a linear switch, so you don't feel anything. It just goes straight down. There's no bump, no click, and the black is just the more higher actuation force for the red.
Yeah, so it's even between like the same switch type, right? The Cherry MX Blues, you know, with the different brands, they all have something a little different they throw in there, whether it's an actuation force or a little dampening. So it's pretty interesting. That's why I like always to test it out. I would say probably $100 is a safe, very entry level base keyboard. But I mean, I've seen them go for $300-400. I would say the average between the three of us that we normally spend on one of these is somewhere between $150 and $200.
Yeah, definitely.
Somewhere right around there.
I mean, most of these actually, as you can see, they're like aluminum backplates and everything, where, you know, the little Microsoft keyboard that comes with the computer is plastic, and you can literally like bend it by just doing this number, where all these are, you know, solid.
And the keys come off, so it makes cleaning extra easy as well. So I love that I can just pop these keys off and wipe it down, blow compressed air through it, and it will just clean all the junk right out. Because I don't know if you've ever turned your keyboard upside down and given it a shake, but it's pretty gross.
I'm doing some coding here.
I'm doing some hacking.
I don't want to be a hacker when I grow up.